In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Figma plugins. Plugins are a great way to add powerful capabilities to your design workflow, from pulling in high-quality images to dropping in icons or automating repetitive tasks. I'll walk you through the exact paths in Figma so you can quickly find and run the tools you need. Start by opening the design file you want to work on. Having the file open matters because Figma tailors plugin options and actions to the document that's active on your screen. Next, you have two simple ways to get to plugins. The first way is through Quick Actions. Look up to the toolbar and click Actions. Or press Ctrl+K on your keyboard to open the command bar. This bar is a fast search box for almost anything in Figma. Once it's open, type Plugins and Widgets, then select it. This takes you straight to the area where you can access and manage plugins right from within your project. If you prefer menus, here is a second route. Click the small Figma down arrow in the top left. In the menu that appears, go to the Plugins tab, then choose Manage Plugins in the window that appears. This window is your central place to see what's available and what you can use right away. From here, use the search bar to find a specific plugin. If you know the name, type it in exactly something like Iconify for a massive icon library, or Unsplash for free, high-quality photos. If you are not sure what you want yet, feel free to browse the suggestions. Figma will surface popular and relevant options so you can discover tools that fit your task without leaving your file. When you've found a plugin you want to use, click the Run button. The plugin will open immediately in a separate window, so you can interact with it without losing your place in the design. Depending on the plugin, you might see a panel that lets you search, filter, or insert assets directly into the canvas. Keep this window open while you work. And close it when you are done. You can always run it again the same way. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.